Good morning, everybody. Scott Betti here at Firkins again. Just took in a 2015 Jeep Renegade tan color, just immaculate inside and out. He had the Xylon treatment put on this. It's got the orange accents in it. Really nice car. Only has 48,000 miles. It's a 15. Look at the back seat, never sat in. Is the Latitude package. Backup camera. 2015 Jeep Renegade, 48,488 miles on it. By the way, brand new Hankook tires made by Michelin, 90,000 mile tires. So call me for more info, folks. Scott Betti at Firkins, 748-6510.